Tonight's Daniel J. McCarthy Scholarship Dinner is a very important part of Bridges to the Future. This dinner is the face of our scholarship program. It's an effort that we are very proud of at Mercy First. With us tonight are members of the Sisters of Mercy, our Board of Trustees, Leadership Council, staff, foster parents, and longtime supporters of this initiative. I'm also pleased to have with us tonight Jacqueline McKnight, Executive Deputy Commissioner of the New York City Administration for Children's Services, and several other staff from ACS. I especially want to thank Elizabeth McCarthy, her mother Virginia, and the entire McCarthy family. And tonight, I'm very proud of the 27 young people who will be receiving scholarship assistance to go to school and work towards fulfilling their dreams. And I now want to introduce Christine Vernon, one of our scholarship recipients.
Thank you so much for being here. I remember my first day at Mercy First. Although I was so scared and afraid of my new environment and life as a foster child, I felt safe in the office of Mercy First. Being in Mercy First has definitely helped shape me into who I am today. A young woman who has been through a traumatic experience, but doesn't let it hinder her from reaching her goal. We will not be looked down upon because we are in the system, but rather looked up to because we are irrepressible. Thank you.